Goodbye.
122 decimal 8, thank you for the service, bye bye, Swiss 190 Golf.
Delta Charlie Charlie, Foxtrot 1, request to leave your frequency.
Delta Charlie Charlie, Roger, frequency change approved.
Delta Charlie Charlie, leaving approved, schönen Dank und schönen Tag noch.
Ja, danke, ist gleich, ciao. Lufthansa 0 to Mike, taxi the holding point runway 26 left via Sierra Bravo 13.
Sierra Bravo 13, Lufthansa 0 to Mike.
Hello and welcome in Munich today, and we will just try to make the walk around with GSX working on. So it was a lot of issue with the first issue of GSX Pro. I was not able to do the start of the program. I was not able to do anything. The menu window, it was a lot of things like crashes, but it's really...
Lufthansa 0 to Mike, wind 240 degrees, 100 knots, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, Lufthansa 0 to Mike.
Now seems to be okay, so we are in a good stage, so try to do our walk arounds, so we've got all antennas checks and everything looks fine here. Still have the boarding guys handling agent complete the cargo loading, baggage loading. Okay, let's take it.
Lufthansa 64 Alpha, taxi to entry November 3 via Alpha 6 November.
All lights are
Alpha 6
okay.
November to November 3. Lufthansa 64 Alpha.
Probably everything is fine. And check a little bit with the drone issues, so as you see, there is a perfect really looks great with the service from GSX Pro. Today we're traveling with the Neo aircraft, Airbus 320 Neo, and the Alpha India November Hotel, which is usually parked in Frankfurt, but today I chose that aircraft. Munich, and this is my first flight with LH Lufthansa, well, Lufthansa LH. So let's see how it looks like. Beautiful Munich airfield with, even we have a rainbow here today. You wouldn't believe, we have a rainbow.
Lufthansa 0 to Mike, stopping.
Lufthansa 0 to Mike, say again please.
We're stopping.
Roger. Lufthansa 0 to Mike, advise if able to taxi off the runway.
Yes, I think we can taxi on the next taxiway, Lufthansa 0 to Mike.
Yeah, Roger.
Lufthansa 64 Alpha count.
Lufthansa 64 Alpha, taxi to gate 207 Alpha, correction 207 Bravo via Whiskey 2.
We will appreciate 10 to 45, please.
Lufthansa 64 Alpha, then taxi to gate 245 via Delta 1 Oscar 2.
Delta 1 at Moscow 265. Thank you very much. 245. Thank you very much. It's London 61. Yeah.
Okay, let's come back to the cockpit then.
Marshall Tower, good afternoon, EC29 Papa Tango. We're currently on approach for 26 left. We'll report when on final.
EC29 Papa Tango, Marshall Tower, good day. Report when on final approach.
Wilco, EC29 Papa Tango.
So the fuel should be more than we have here. Let's take these MCDU, Atsu, and then check the
Munich Tower, Lufthansa 170, ready for taxi.
effects.
Lufthansa 170, taxi to entry Sierra 8 via Whiskey 2 Delta 4.
Utilization data is required.
Taxi to Sierra 8 via Whiskey 2 and Delta 4, Lufthansa 170.
Lufthansa TUMAK, we're gonna need to return back to the gate.
Lufthansa 0 to Mike, roger. Any specific gate?
Negative.
Lufthansa 0 to Mike, taxi to entry Sierra 7 via Bravo 6 Sierra.
Entry Sierra 7 via Bravo 6 Sierra, Lufthansa 0 to Mike.
Check the 80s in Munich. Control F for no significant weather. Munich information echoes out. So information echo, expect vectors.
Monaco Tower, Estadia 005, report established ILS runway 26 left.
Runway 26 left and 26 right.
Hotel Echo Sierra 005, München Tower, good day. Wind 240 degrees, 11 knots, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Copy the wind, clear to land, runway 26 left, Estadia 005.
So, gate is 202 Bravo, I think.
München Tower, Servus, Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra on 223 Bravo with echo request Alpha to Nizza.
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, München Tower, good evening. Information Echo, cleared Nice, Turbo 7 Sierra, flight plan route, climb well set, flight level 70, squawk 1000.
Let's check this.
Clear to Nizza via the Turbo 7 Sierra departure, climb flight level 70, squawk 1000, Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra.
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, read back correct, and standby shot. Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, report when ready for startup.
Wilco.
Oh, there is no Oh, we have it. We have ADC message, perfect. ADC message.
Hotel Echo Sierra 005, sorry for the contact me, it wasn't on purpose, sorry.
ADC menu.
Lufthansa 170, taxi to holding point, runway 26 left, via Sierra Bravo 13.
Monitored message. Return. Grant request here. Return.
Taxi to runway 26 left via Bravo Sierra 13, Lufthansa 170.
Received messages, no messages. Okay, there's a next message here. Request being proceed, standby. Okay, then Lufthansa, PDC, clear to Krakow of runway 26 left. So let's go to the flight plan, mention departure runway 26 left via Epkk 3 Sierra, Epkk 3 Sierra departure, runway 26 left, squawk 2304. Squawk 2304, squawk 2, no, clear that. 2304. And then we cleared the
Lufthansa 170, line up and wait, runway 26 left.
AOBD or
Line up and wait, runway 26 left,
okay.
Lufthansa
This is
170.
okay, so we will send them Wilco and resend. So we've got the squawk code, everything is set. Okay. Perfect. So let's go for the checklist. I don't remember where the checklists are. Here, cockpit preparation, gear pins covered. We checked the fuel. Okay. And
Hysteria 005, taxi to entry Sierra 5 via Bravo 8 Sierra.
okay, then next message.
Tower, I'm sorry, I say again, please, Spirit
Received clearance
005.
confirmed. Okay, clearance is
Hysteria
confirmed.
005, taxi to entry Sierra 5 via Bravo 8 Sierra.
So I did forget about the loading of fuel, definitely. This is okay, so loading estimated 0 fuel 6044. 6044.
Lufthansa 170, wind 240 degrees, 11 knots, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, Lufthansa 170.
Okay. Let's look on the flight plans here. Okay, then Epkk. So this flight plan is totally wrong what they have in here. This is really ridiculous. Okay then.
Monaco Tower, Sierra 5 via Bravo 8 Sierra, Spirit 005, sorry.
Download.
No
for
problem.
Site. Delete.
Lufthansa 170, no further ATC available. Monitor Unicom, bye bye.
Monitor Unicom 122.8, Lufthansa 170, bye bye, ciao.
QNH check.
One more time.
EC2 9 Papa Tango, say again.
QNH check, please.
EC2 9 Papa Tango, QNH 1018.
1018, thank you very much, EC29 Papa Tango.
Let's check the flight plan one more time. Epkk. Epkk.
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra ready for startup and push.
Okay, this is analyzer.
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, so it's squawk mode
Save.
Charlie.
Generate.
Lufthansa 2544 München, Servus, 224 Bravo, request pushback.
So we will check the
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra.
GSX is still working, so we can take this boarding bridge out. As I mentioned before, it was a lot of troubles within GSX yesterday, and I really
4-4,
was
push and start approved,
not
facing
in
north.
favor to have this
Push start approved, facing north,
other,
Lufthansa
but
25
today
buffer.
it's working perfectly. So in here we've got the initial climb clearance. Okay, clearance confirmed. Can print that out. Yes, we can print it out. All the messages can be printed out, so we can print out our message here from here. Okay, perfect.
Stereo 005, taxi to gate 116 via Charlie 5, Echo 1.
Then open the map for München.
Monaco Tower 116 via Charlie 5 Echo 1 Xperia 005.
Take the import for briefing. Okay, now we've got correct flight plan. Now we should have correct loading. So instant, we can refuel that aircraft. Okay, that's perfect. Payload.
Boarding completed.
We can take the boarding completed. And go to the flight plan itself. The quantity in kilograms, just check the flight plan here. OFP.
Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, on behalf of myself, your captain, the first officer, and cabin crew, I'd like to take this time to welcome you aboard our flight. I'm just wrapping up some paperwork up front here and waiting for final numbers from the ground crew, then we'll be on our way.
2 tons.
Flight attendants will be coming through the cabin shortly with a very important safety briefing.
Der Lufthansa Vorpapa Serie interrupt pushback wegen Traffic.
The operations of this Airbus aircraft. We do
Yeah, Lufthansa 25044. You were supposed to facing north, not south.
Okay, landing weight and takeoff weight 5131.
Ja, Lufthansa Vorpapa Sierra, tut mir leid.
Alles gut, ich warte.
Wir könnten auch noch ein Taxi-Out machen, einfach so rechts rum oder links rum.
Okay, dann
Falsch gemischt.
$5924 and the fuel should be 400 tons, 700 kilograms. 4.7. 64 on takeoff, 62 on landing. Takeoff 65.131. 62. So 64 and 62. Looks quite similar, but not the same. Okay, let's take this aircraft into the air. Let's bake the performance then. Check flaps. Flaps 1. On down 0.1. Now we have to put the dash before. Down 0.1. Temperature 56 degrees. Let's look carefully what we have on here. 131, 132, 136. Okay. This is it. Okay, let's check the GSX.
Lufthansa 2544.
Ja, Lufthansa 2544, request taxi.
Jetways.
Lufthansa 2544, you were clear to push back facing north, not south?
Hatten wir eben schon.
Okay, good. Lufthansa 2544, taxi to entry Sierra 7 via Whiskey 2.
Sierra 7 via Whiskey 2, Lufthansa 2544. Ja, was soll ich nochmal?
Jo, König.
So we have to import that from briefing. Okay, new flight.
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, continue pushback.
Continue pushback, Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra.
Lufthansa 2544, taxi holding point runway 26 left via Sierra, Bravo and 3.
26 left, yeah, Bravo and 3, Lufthansa 2544.
Okay. Let's start the AP, and then we can start the flaps open. Okay then.
Flight attendants on
Easy to know Papa Tango, we are 7.5 miles, runway 26 left.
Flap open.
Easy 29 Papa Tango. Report when ILS established 26 left.
We're established now. Just come on the glide slope, easy to know Papa Tango.
Easy 29 Papa Tango, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, easy 29 Papa Tango, thank you.
Lufthansa 2 Alpha Mike, radio check.
Lufthansa 2 Alpha Mike, München Tower, good evening, radio 4.
Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, irgendwie GSX will nicht mehr. Ich würde am liebsten jetzt gerade mal links rausschwenken und ich wäre auch ready for Taxi.
Okay. Ja, GSX macht doch ordentlich Probleme. Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra, taxi to entry Sierra 7 via Whiskey 2.
Taxi via Whiskey 2 to Sierra 7, Lufthansa 4 Papa Sierra. Also das ist die Katastrophe.
Ja, Erfahrung auch schon gemacht heute Nachmittag.
Ja, hier, sorry nochmal an den Kollegen. Ja, du hast bei mir eben auch ein Wheelie gedreht. Seit GSX drehen alle Flugzeuge hier durch.
Ich glaube, wir warten noch mal einen Monat.
München Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, stand 20 Bravo, Echo on board and request push and start.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, pushback approved, facing south.
Push approved, face to the south, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Approved, face to the south. So let's take it.
Lufthansa 2544, behind landing aircraft, EC A319 on short final, line up and wait, runway 26 left behind.
90 easy, line up and wait, runway 26 left and wait behind, Lufthansa 2544.
And disconnect the APU. Miss GPU. Not ready.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Okay, so the pushback is taken back. Everything is, I hope, clear. Let's take the pushback tractor position view.
Lufthansa 2544, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff 26 left, Lufthansa 2544.
EC29 Papa Tango, taxi to entry Sierra 5 via Bravo 8 Sierra.
Taxi Sierra 5 via Bravo 8 Sierra, EC29 Papa Tango.
Lufthansa vor Papa Sierra, ich muss nochmal neu machen. Dieser Steuerungspin ist noch drin und ich kann nichts denken und ja.
Ja, okay. Einfach durchrufen, wenn ready for taxi.
Okay, danke.
Probier's mal, wenn nicht. Bei mir ging es mit Abort und dann einfach mal 1 Minute Vollgas, dann bricht der, glaube ich, ab.
Vollgas habe ich noch nicht probiert. Ich guck mal.
Klingt gut, so kurz vom Gate.
Completed. Continue post back.
And Lufthansa 2544, no further ATC.
No,
Unicom, bye bye.
Left.
Unicom 28, danke für den Service und noch viel Glück. Ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, parking brake released.
All engines clear. Start at will.
München Tower, Tarom, 2 for Bravo, guten Abend.
Tarom 2 for Bravo, München Tower, Servus.
Moin, Tarom 2 for Bravo, Airbus 320 to Bucharest, Lima Romeo, Oscar Papa, stand 341, request IFR clearance with information Foxtrot.
Tarom 2 for Bravo, stand by short. EC29 Papa Tango, taxi to gate 110 via Whiskey 1, Charlie 3.
Standby 10 via Whiskey 1 Charlie 3, EC29 Papa Tango.
Starting both engines.
Tarom 2 for Bravo, information Foxtrot, cleared Bucharest, Kirti 3 Sierra, flight plan route, climb via SIT, flight level 70, squawk 1000.
Tarom 2 for Bravo is cleared to Bucharest with information Foxtrot via Kirti 3 Sierra departure, initial climb 7000, climb flight route, climb via SIT and squawk 1000.
Flaps 1 for take.
Tarom 2 for Bravo, read back correct and report when ready for startup.
Report ready for startup, Tarom 2 for Bravo.
München Turm, schönen guten Abend, Delta India Alpha Lima Kilo.
Delta India Alpha Lima Kilo, München Turm, hallo.
Delta India Alpha Lima Kilo, eine Beechcraft Baron östlich von Foxtrot 1 in 2700 Fuß, bitte Einflug in die Kontrollzone für einen Tiefanflug.
Delta Lima Kilo, QNH 1018, aktive Pisten, 26 links, 26 rechts, Einflug in die Kontrollzone über Foxtrot 1, Foxtrot 2 genehmigt.
Delta Lima Kilo, Einflug in die Kontrollzone über Foxtrot 1, Foxtrot 2 genehmigt und die aktiven Pisten, die 26er. QNH 1018.
Direct Tower, good day, EZ21 Foxtrot Bravo, fully established ILS 26 right.
EZ21 Foxtrot Bravo, München Tower, good day, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 26 right, EZ21 Foxtrot Bravo.
So let's call the...
Delta Lima Kilo, Foxtrot 1, 2600.
Delta Lima Kilo, verstanden.
I hope everything will go on. We'll confirm engine start.
You can disconnect.
Okay, then everything is clear.
Delta Lima Kilo, kreisen Sie quer ab der Schwelle 26 rechts.
Armed die Speed Brake.
Delta Lima Kilo, Kreise quer ab der Schwelle 26 rechts.
Gear.
And easy to Tango on the block stand 110, thank you very much. Score 2000, lovely.
Bye bye, thanks for flying.
Okay, everything is clear. Lufthansa driver is going.
Delta Lima
the
Kilo,
gate.
melden Sie landenden Verkehr Airbus A320 im 4-Meilen-Eddern-Flug in Sicht.
Okay.
Delta Lima Kilo, Verkehrsinsicht.
Okay,
Delta
we
Lima
got-
Kilo, folgen Sie genannten Verkehr in den Tiefenflug
bye
Piste
bye, auf Wiedersehen.
26
You
rechts.
can go home.
Achtung, Wirbelschlippen.
Delta Lima Kilo, Folge genannten Verkehr in den Tiefenflug, Piste 26 rechts. Ach, dafür
Yeah,
beschleunigen.
bye bye, waving me, it's okay. Taxi lights on. APU lead off. And I hope I will not take any unnecessary hit. So then let's take the taxi clearance, and Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray is ready for taxi.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, taxi to entry Sierra 8 via Whiskey 2 Delta 4.
To enter Sierra 8 via Whiskey 2 Delta 4, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Okay, Whiskey 2 Delta 4, enter Sierra 8. Brake check. Pressure 0, then that's what I forget about the checklist, of course. After start, anti-ice not required. ECAM status check. Pit trim should be 0.1. .1 up.
Delta Lima Kilo tritt in der Flugpiste 26 rechts und danach würde ich gern wieder raus über Foxtrot.
Delta Lima Kilo, verstanden, verlassen Sie die Kontrollzone nach dem Tiefanflug über Foxtrot 2, Foxtrot 1, Wind 260 Grad, 9 Knoten, Piste 26 rechts, klar, frei zum Tiefanflug.
Delta Lima Kilo nach dem Tiefanflug verlassen der Kontrollzone über Foxtrot 2, Foxtrot 1, Piste 26 rechts, frei zum Tiefanflug.
So, Delta 4.
Easy 21, Foxtrot Bravo, taxi to entry November 1 via Mike Alpha 4.
November 1 via Mike and Alpha 4, easy to Foxtrot Bravo.
Lufthansa to Alpha Mike A321 info Foxtrot, request clearance to KUMBO.
Lufthansa 2 Alpha Mike, please file a flight plan.
So let's stop on Sierra 8. Holding point. And Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray entry point 08.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, taxi holding point runway 26 left via Sierra Bravo 13.
Holding point 26 left via Sierra Bravo 13 Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Okay, so then we continue on Sierra and Bravo 13.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, wind 260 degrees 9 knots, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Okay, so we're clear for takeoff, and Ordensberg, and then the Biwak. Okay, then we have it.
Delta Lima Kilo, Fox 2, 3400 Fuß.
Delta Lima Kilo, verstanden.
Bravo 13, I missed it.
Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, A321, stand 222, Bravo, with information Foxtrot, request clearance to Corfu.
Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, I still need a flight plan. Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, ich weiß, was das Problem ist. Da ist ein Flugplan pre-filed, aber der hat nicht das Callsign DLH, sondern nur LH, Lima Hotel. Und dann erkennt er das nicht, dass du der Flieger bist mit dem Flugplan.
Ah, okay, ganz vielen Dank. Dankeschön, das ändere ich schnell.
Ja, einfach bei deinem Pre-Filen einfach nochmal über Simbrief oder sowas einfach als Callsign DLH, also Delta Lima Hotel eingeben, dann soll es klappen.
Jo, alles gut. Ich hab's jetzt mal eingegeben, ich hoffe, das klappt. Probieren wir es nochmal.
Ja, jetzt hab ich's.
Super. Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, A321, stand 222, Bravo Information Foxtrot, request clearance Corfu.
Ja, standby short now, sorry. EC21 Foxtrot Bravo, taxi to stand 185 via Whiskey 1.
Stand 185 via Whiskey 1, EC21 Foxtrot Bravo.
Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, information Foxtrot, cleared Corfu, Bravo 3 Sierra, flight plan route, climb by set, flight level 70, squawk 2316.
Clear to Corfu via Bravo 3 Victor departure, climb by set, initial climb 4000 feet and squawk 2316.
Rotate. Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, negative, Bravo 3 Sierra.
Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, initial climb 7000 feet via Bravo 3 Sierra.
Lufthansa to Alpha Mike, read back correct and report when ready for startup.
Okay, we've got...
Delta Lima Kilo 1 minute north of Fox 1.
This was a problem
Lima
with the
Kilo,
joystick.
Verstanden, verlassene Frequenz genehmigt.
It's my fault because I didn't
Verlassene
check
Frequenz genehmigt. Delta Lima Kilo, danke für den Service, schönen
I
Abend noch,
have
ciao.
working joystick.
Tschüss, dir auch, danke.
And it seems I don't have...
Tower Service Lufthansa 16 Bravo inbound Gudek ILS 26 right.
Lufthansa 16 Bravo München Tower, good evening, report when ILS established.
Wake Lufthansa 16 Bravo.
Lufthansa 1703 on frequency.
Lufthansa 1703 with you, 4 mile final, 26 left.
Lufthansa 1703 advise if ILS is established.
Say again for Lufthansa 1703.
Advise if ILS 26 left is established.
0.
Established Lufthansa 1703.
Lufthansa 1703, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Okay, we don't need
Clear to land,
ignitions here.
Lufthansa 1703.
Lufthansa 5, Lima X-Ray, no further ATC, monitor Unicom, bye bye.
Switching to Unicom, wünschen Ihnen einen angenehmen Flug. Tag, Lufthansa 5, Lima X-Ray.
Lufthansa 16 Bravo established LS26
Okay,
right.
Started set.
Lufthansa 16 Bravo, wind 260 degrees, 9 knots, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Okay,
Clear to land, runway 26 right, Lufthansa 16 Bravo.
Then we're switching to Unicom, want to do the simulate.
Easy 21 Fox Bravo on stand, danke, bye bye.
Yeah, goodbye. Thanks for flying.
128. Approaching to Rottenberg. I didn't press corner, of course. Okay, 7,000 feet to Ortensberg, according to the climb. After Bebak we have Akima. Okay, then after Akima we have Bebas. After Bebas we have Nelpa. After Nelpa, we're flying to Vatska. Climbing on 390. We continue. Let's climb 250 initially. Transponder TRA, okay. The array should be on the right side and above. I didn't put the up backs here, and I didn't put the other things which I should put, so today this is just a test flight with a new GSX. Unfortunately, it's not really good now. I didn't check correctly the flight controls. That's why I discovered during the roll that my joystick is not reacting. And I should to take a stop action. But overall, the GSX Pro is working. Premises are closed, so let's check the weather in Krakow and let's see our weather requests. Matter stuff is good enough, so let's check it out. So destination Krakow, wind 220 at 7, KWK 20, 19 and 1012. Probably we'll be using runway 25 then, ILS. Let's check the printer is working or not. Yes, printer is working. So we will get the weather report. Krakow weather from 16 UTC, wind variable 2 knots, Katowice, sorry, the Krakow here. Wind 220 at 7 knots, KWK, temperature 20, dew point 19, QNH 1012. And now I'll alternate Katowice, wind variable 10 kilometers, light shower will rain, few clouds at 3000 feet. Scott at 3500 CB and 20 Celsius on dew point is 19er and QNH is 1011. Okay, then let's take this opportunity and check if we have a controllers then online. Yeah, we'll have the Warsaw center then on 120.45, so I'll put my radio first 120, 125, 40, no 45. Let's try to do it as it should be. So, yeah, let's continue. We're approaching flight level 210. We should check altimeters before, but we didn't do it that, but I can do it now. 210 crossing, 210 crossing, 210 crossing, so altimeters are checked. So we have the same weather at the same altitudes. But before we enter the RVSM airspace, we have the altimeter checks. Okay. All right. Can check the other sides. Nothing here. Let's take the Navigraph charts. So a little bit of approaching the eastern border of Germany, then we enter the Prague FIR, and after a short flight we will be descending into Warsaw FIR, then we will take the runway 25 in Krakow via Epkk 3 Golf. So let's check what is our constraints here. So Epkk 3 Golf, we should be on Epkk inbound next Kilo 539er, flight level 120, not below. There is a standard holding in case we need it, or control will assign holding, so there's a over Kilo 539 there's published holding procedure. Then we will be proceeding through the next point, Kilo 542. Next we have Kilo 543 with max speed 220 knots, and then we will be over the point Kilo 547 with max speed 220, and next we will go to Babzi intersection, not below 5,000 feet. That's the basic information for runway 25. Max 230 knots by ADC available for non-AirNav 1 aircraft. Okay, then we have information about our minimum sector altitude. Due to mountains terrain on the right hand side, Tatro Mountains, we will have 6,900 MSA sector, and then 3,000 on the approach from the east. So we'll be running for runway 25. Okay, so in that case I think we can easily close that window for now. So that's the good for now. Okay, let's climb 390. Let's check before our mass and balance and the progress. Okay, max level 390, we can use it, so 390, let's use that's right level. We'll take the climb on arc. what I really like in that sim, that is very nice. The graphics and physics of the clouds, perfect. So I just didn't use the what we have here. I don't remember exactly what is the name of this application. I think it's FS Realistic, yes. Run as an administrator, it will help a little bit of immersing of an aircraft. FS Realistic. Okay. Really fantastic view from perspective, even for the fantastic view of perspective of the passengers. That looks very nice. On the right hand side there is the Austria. Ahead of us there is the Czech Republic. So on the right hand side we have a Prague. On the right hand side we have a Wien, and on the right hand side we have a Prague. So we are somewhere in the middle between Vienna and Praha in Czech Republic. Climbing 390. One feller what this aircraft has, it don't have the really don't have the top of descent. Here there is not a bug, but maybe they will figure out that one with the next. It was not nice what I have done before. So let's try to concentrate on the approach and landing. Okay, let's check. Finally. Over the Katowice there is a little bit of, I think it's a low pressure, should be. So we have a wind from the southwest 220, so it's southwest wind. FIR nothing special. Okay, let's take it. It's 47, 42 right now, and we should be at ground on 1722 UTC. I didn't put the cost index, I think, also either. Okay, there is some traffic ahead of us, according to TICAS. He's more or less just climbing and is crossing our right to left on flight level 350 or 330, 360. So let's keep an eye on our TCAS here, and try to do it as we can. Oh, hopefully there is a 1 ADC. There's a crap of 80s. Okay, stay level 390 with just a few levels more to come. And I cannot see here an ice detector over here, but we can have the I think we have some little ice though on the wing, not so I cannot see anything more. Okay. Let's calculate the type of approach. No type of approach in vicinity will be worse radar only. Let's take 3900. For 122 before the target, we should start our descent. Let's check these. enough chart. I think before Patka was the flight level 120. Okay, so then 85 nautical miles. Patka. Not our descent. Right. The drop-off. Arrival Patka 3 Golf from ILS 25.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again from the flight deck, your captain speaking. We've just reached our cruising altitude for the flight. As we begin to settle in, I do want to remind you to please keep your feet and elbows clear from the aisle as the flight attendants will be coming through the cabin with galley cards shortly. Also, one more reminder to please refrain from congregating with the front galley where the flight deck door is located. Thank you.
Wind is from the south, 30 knots. Check the systems are working correctly. Engines, fleet, pressure, electricity, hydraulic. Fuel burn 1760, fuel on board 2940. Fuel not working, all those okay. Fuel temperature, flight controls, and all systems are normal. Status page, we can come back to the engines. Okay, let's check the weather of the destination and we'll put the enter destination data. Go into view weather. See. It is Krakow. Ending. Information is Alpha time 1630, expect Golf arrival for ILS, approach runway 25, departure from runway 25, transition level is level 80, wind 257, 250 at 7 knots, 20 Celsius on the ground and 180 is viewpoint, 18 Celsius 1012. Print it out, and then we have the matter 507, cover K20 and QNH. Okay, let's take it out. The 80s we have already printed out. Information alpha, then we will print it out. The matter. Okay, and then we go to next page. Next phase here, here. Okay, QNH in Krakow is 1012. Temperature is 20. 250 at 7. Okay, the barrel, because we are not using ILS Cut 2, we're using ILS Cut 1. So barrel is good enough. Let's take these charts. Back off. Okay, so BABZ, initial approach fix, then will be 4,000 feet, then 3,000 kilo 362, and the ILS category C, it will be the decision altitude on Barrow 1001. On ILS 1 we are using Barrow from that position, so decision altitude. In Cat 2 we're choosing decision height on 222, so it's that time we're using Barrow. The approach speed is 130 knots and landing speed is 125. Always. Okay. Runway departures transition level, it's level 80. Okay. Oh, it should be here. Okay, 120 to Epkk. Let's start descent, flight level, maybe 130 will be good. That was it. 46 nautical miles. Then we started the descent. As I mentioned before, this fly-by-wire system aircraft has no Not showing the top of descent, not showing the equal point time.
As you may have noticed, we have begun our initial descent down to our destination. Now would be a good time to wrap up any business you need to take care of as we prepare for approach. If you are up, once you return to your seat, we ask that you remain seated till the aircraft arrives safely at the gate. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for a ride.
I should stop and interrupt. I should take the rejected takeoff in Munich. I didn't do it. It shouldn't be like this. Let's check the Warsaw radar. Warsaw Center 12545. Go check. Looks like Warsaw radar.
Ryanair 15 Lima, proceed direct Nimis.
Warsaw radar is online.
Direct Nimis, Ryanair 15 Lima.
Lot 3837, cleared Oslo for Romeo arrival, expect RMP 11.
Oslo from your arrival, RMP11 for lot 3837.
First radar, good afternoon, Lufthansa 5, Lima X-ray approaching to Patka, Patka 3, Golf in plan, and we wish to descend flight level 150 initially.
5 Lima X-ray, witam Warszawa, radar contact. Patka 3 Golf, that's correct, descent level 100.
Continue down 100, Lufthansa 5, Lima X-ray.
Dobry, lot for whiskey. Direct to that and descending.
Lot for whiskey Warszawa, witam radar contact. Netir 3 Golf, expect ILS 25.
Netir 3 Golf and we are expecting to find lot for whiskey.
Lot for whiskey, descent level 100, proceed direct, Kilo 544.
Descending 100, proceed to Kilo 5 for lot for whiskey.
Lot for whiskey, squawk 4522.
4522, lot for whiskey.
Ryanair 15 Lima, approach 1288.
Approach 1288, have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Warsaw.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, recycle transponder 1000, report speed indicated.
Speed indicated 2900 and recycle squawk 1000, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, speed 250 knots or less, please.
Speeding back 250 less, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Okay, then we speeding back 250.
Airhop 45 Foxtrot Golf, radar service terminated, as published, cleared RMP09, report final track.
Speed break then.
We report when established, final track 09 Airhop 45 Foxtrot Golf.
Lot 3837, proceed direct, Golf Delta 806.
Speed back.
Lot 3837, proceed, Golf Delta 806.
Golf Delta 806, lot 3837.
Lot 4 whiskey, report speed.
Lot for whiskey, speed is 260 knots.
Lot 4 whiskey, speed 260 knots or greater, you are number 1. After Kilo 544, direct off hook.
After Kilo 5 for direct off hook and speed is 260 greater, lot for whiskey.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, stop descent level 110.
110, stop descent, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Wizard 2501 Warszawa.
So let's keep speed 230 even for separation.
Warszawa, hello again, Sierra Papa Mike Sierra Golf Hotel 231.
Sierra Papa Mike Sierra Golf Warszawa, radar contact, climb level 380.
Cleared 0, Sierra Golf.
Wizard 2501 Warszawa.
J.
Wizard 2501.
Wizard 2501, new squawk 4510.
Wizard 250, change squawk to 4510.
So we'll speed back 50.
Warszawa radar, good evening, rail Amarok 1472, disconnect flight level 120, direct Miban.
Royal Air Malok 1472 Warszawa, radar contact, Clear to Meban, 3 Golf arrival, expect ILS 25, descent flight level 100.
Expedition Meban 3 Golf, arrival for LS 25, Royal Air Maroc 1472.
Not for Whiskey, descent 5000 feet altitude, Q range Krakow 1012.
Descending 5000 SQ, 5000 feet, range around Lot for Whiskey.
Lot 3837, when ready, descent level 100.
When ready, descent level 100, lot 3837.
Royal Air Maroc 1472, descent flight level 100, speed 25, correction, speed 260 knots or less.
Speed 250, Royal Air Maroc 1472.
Getting tracked on the Tigas.
Austrian 605 Warsaw. Austrian 605 Warsaw radar. Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, descent level 80.
Continue down level 80, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Sierra Papa Mike Sierra Golf, expect flight level 140 over Govan, report when ready for descent.
Thanks. I will call you for descent and could you repeat the waypoint, please?
Sierra Papa Mike Sierra Golf, the waypoint you are flying now through, Govan, expect flight level 140, report when ready for descent.
We'll report ready to descent to be at flight level 140 Govan, Sierra Papa Mike Sierra Golf.
Yeah, report when ready. Break, Wizard 2501, contact Lviv 134.050. Wizard 2501, contact Lviv 134.050.
Confirmed contact with radar 134.050.
Sierra Papa Mike Sierra Golf, can we stop our climb at flight level 360, please?
Okay.
Sierra Golf, climb level 360.
Thank you, 360.
250.
Air up 4-5 Foxtrot Golf, final track is 09.
Airhop 45 Foxtrot Golf, runway 09er, clear to land, wind 09er, 0 degrees 6 knots.
09er, confirmed, Airhop 4-5 Foxtrot Golf.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray descent 6000 feet altitude, QNH Kraków 1012.
QNH 1012 descending 6000, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Royal Air Maroc 1472, proceed direct off Fook, Oscar Fox Fox, uniform Kilo, expect vectors.
Direct off Fook, Royal Air Maroc 1472.
1472, descent 7000 feet altitude, QNH Kraków 1012.
012 Royal Air Maroc.
Ryanair 441, recycle transponder 4505.
Total 505, Ryanair 41.
Lot 5 Lima X-ray direct Kilo Kilo 547. Correct, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray Kilo Kilo 547.
Kilo Kilo 547. Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Lot 4 Whiskey turn left heading 020.
Left heading 020, lot for whiskey.
Request descent, please. Speed 12 Papa.
Speed 12 Papa, descent level 100, CP DLC service terminated.
Descent level 100, roger. Speed 12 Papa.
Lot 4 Whiskey descent 3000 feet.
Lot for whiskey descended 3000 feet.
Okay, the city of Krakow here on the left hand side.
Warszawa radar, good evening. GetJet 701 with you, passing flight level 170 for 370 direct Boxu.
GetJet 701, Warszawa radar contact. Lot 4 Whiskey turn left heading 280, cleared IRS 25, report established.
Left heading 280 and clear IS 25 will report established, lot for whiskey.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, free speed, no speed restrictions.
Clear of speed restrictions, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Wait and play speed, so we can take speeds 250.
Speed bat 1 to Papa after Kilo Kilo 558, direct off Fook.
After 558, direct off Fook. Speed 12 Papa.
Lot 3837, begin descent.
Lot 3837, descent level 100.
Level 100, lot 3837.
Airhop 45 Foxtrot Golf, welcome to Rzeszów, stand number 9er via Romeo Alpha.
Number 9 via Romeo Alpha, 4-5 Foxtrot Golf, thank you.
Royal Air Maroc 1475, descent 5000 feet.
500 feet, Royal Air Maroc 1472.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, descent 4000 feet, now turn left heading 030.
030 and 4000 feet, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Lot for whiskey established on 5.
Lot 4 Whiskey Tower 12325, Epkk.
1 to 3 to 5, lot for whiskey, dzięki Domiego.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, descent 3000 feet.
Descending 3000 feet, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Lufthansa 23, contact Bremen 124175.
124175. Thank you for the service. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, expedite descent 3000 feet.
Expediting descent 3000, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Royal Air Maroc 1472, turn right, heading 050.
Connect 123 250 Rail Maroc 1472.
Royal Air Maroc 1472, negative, turn right, heading 050.
Right 050 Rail Maroc 1472.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, left heading 220, clear the ILS-25, report established.
Left heading 220, clear for ILS approach 25, report established, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Sierra Papa Mike, Sierra Golf 1 ready, descent level 140, reach over Govan.
When you're ready, flight level 140, when ready, flight level 140, Govan for CS Golf. We have 5 more winds to double descent, sir.
Roger, so 1 ready, 140, level by Govan.
2,500. 2,500.
Claps 1, speed check claps 1.
Airhope 45, Foxtrot Golf, stand 9R, shutting down, thank you for your ATC and request frequency change.
Ciao, ciao.
Flaps 2.
Royal Air Maroc 1472, descent 3000 feet.
Position from effect Rail Air Maroc 72.
Oops.
And Royal Air Maroc, turn left, heading 010.
Left 1010 Rail Air Maroc 1472.
Speedbird 12 Papa, descent 5000 feet, altitude QNH 101.
Down.
Correction, 1012.
Descent altitude 5,000 feet, KNH 1012, speed 12 Papa.
And we are establishing localizer, ILS 25, 6.1 miles to go, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Lot 3837, descent 5000 feet, altitude QNH 1012.
5,000 feet, QNH 1012, lot 3837.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, contact tower 123250.
12350, thank you, bye bye, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Tower, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray with you on ILS 25, we have 4.5 miles.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, Kraków Tower, dobry wieczór. Surface wind 220 degrees 5 knots, runway 25, you are clear to land.
5 and we are clear to land runway 25, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray. Landing gear down, not down, why not down?
$1,000. 500.
Too low, terrain. 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 Too low, terrain.
Kraków Tower, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, due to
Too
gear
low,
failure,
terrain.
we have to going around the runway
low,
heading
terrain.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, Roger, go around as published and contact to Warsaw radar 125.45, see you.
545, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, thank you.
Lot 3837, descent 4,000 feet, cleared RMP 11, report final track.
4,000 feet, cleared RMP 11, I will report final track, lot 3837.
Warszawa radar, Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray, unfortunately gear failure, we have to going around, we have no clue how to fix that, I think I will disconnect this time.
No cóż mam powiedzieć, to już decyzja należy do was.
Dzięki, do usłyszenia, dzięki za serwis Lufthansa 5 Lima X-ray.
Miłego, cześć.
Okay, then we try to do it, but...
Warszawa radar, witam pięknie, lot 4 Hotel X-ray, inbound beam po level 370.
Lot 4 Hotel X-ray Warszawa, witam radar contact. For Hotel X-ray, expect IRS Yankee 11, direct to Gossit.
Okay, so we will disconnect this time and we will make self-vectoring. Back on track.
2,500.
Flaps 2, speak check, flaps 2.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
Pops 3. Check Pops 3. Pops full. Thanks.
500. 400. 300. 200. Minimum. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 5.
the doors verified?
The boarding requested. Passengers deboarding started.
Okay, so we finish our test with FS passengers. Oh, not FS passengers, but KSX Pro today, and looks like on each single airport, especially payware, doesn't matter which one, you should to check that airport before, and as you see, aircraft is not standing as it should be. It means the follow me guidance was just for that position, and it must be all positions should be carefully checked, and the position should be, let's say, coordinate to the and align with the center line of this position. So it's some settings to be done before you will go and use this GSX Pro, but I think it's in overall result it's really satisfied the our needs.